Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing my Vrsf Catless Downpipe. I'm gonna try to beat the sun right now. It's already like sunset, but I want it done. I don't want to wait till tomorrow because tomorrow's Sunday. I want to get the day off. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing that. I've seen videos and stuff. It looks pretty easy. I only took off my old downpipe. I never put it on, so I don't know how hard it actually is. So I'll keep you guys updated on that. First, I'm gonna start off with my intake box, remove that, and then remove the sensors from up here, which are right there, and then I'm gonna move down and jack the car and do all the other extra stuff. So yeah. All right, first things first, go to the back, disconnect your battery. It's gonna be a 10 mil. I have it right here because you don't want anything messing up, like sensor wise and stuff. I have the downpipe right here. Like I said, it's a Vrsf Catless Downpipe. The little two bunches for the sensors. So yeah, I'm gonna start taking off the intake box so I can get to removing the O2 sensors that it has and get that bad boy back on. All right, so I have the intake with the intake box out. All you had to use was I think it's a 6 mil. Yeah, 6 mil. Take this off and then just unclip it from these right here. And then now I'm gonna disconnect my sensors. I have the sensors disconnected now, which are these. All you had to do was like slide them out from these little things that are stuck right here. They'll just go like this and they'll slide out. And I use the flathead to pop these open. So now I'm gonna get to unscrewing the V-band that's right there. And yeah, probably take it off just like that and then go down towards the mid pipe to take off the clamp. All right, so I'm loosening up the V-band. For me, it looks like this already had been swapped out. I have a 10 mil for this bolt right here, and I'm just turning it, trying to loosen it up all the way so that way I can go down towards the mid pipe and disconnect it. All right, the V-band is off. As you can see, damn, it's okay, still hot, but it's loose. Now I'm gonna go down. So I was already under the car and I completely forgot I have to unscrew those bolts that are right there. I was already trying to take it off and I'm like, why isn't it not coming off? I forgot that I had to do those bolts. So these are the two nuts that were in the way of where the hanger is. Now I'll be able to take out the downpipe. All right, so here it is. Stock downpipe is out. It took me like 5 minutes to get it out. Not like 5 minutes fully, but I had to move it back and forth, and then I ended up taking it off from under the car, not through the top. It was much easier. All I did was loosen up the mid pipe and just pull it, and it came out. As you can see, the downpipe is off. The mid pipe is right there. I don't know if you guys can see inside there. I'm just like winging it. But that's like the inside of the turbo where the downpipe goes. I guess the hot side is what you call it. But yeah, now I'm gonna transfer off the O2 sensors onto the new downpipe and get it on. All right, so I have the O2 sensors out now. This one's gonna go in the front and then this one in the back. To be honest, I kind of want to put both of them on, but I've seen someone say that they struggle to put it on with the back one on. So I think I'll just put the back one on once it's already on, and then I'll just tighten it on there. So I'll just put this one for now and then slide the downpipe back in there and then put this one on after, and then we'll go to these for the hanger. Okay, I'm doing wide angle. I was having some problems, tightening up the O2 sensors up there, but I figured it out. I had to go buy a key because my socket wasn't reaching all the way down there, and the keys that I had were way too long. So I had to go buy a key. What I bought, I think, was a 22 mil, which is, I think, or it says you could use like a 3/8 key. I'm not too sure, to be honest. But I didn't have any problems right here with the mid pipe. Now I'm just gonna tighten this up and then this bolt, and I'm gonna start up the car, see if there's any leaks or anything. All right, so I'm done tightening up the bolts. I really hope I inserted it. I hope the downpipe got inserted all the way inside of the mid pipe, because I don't want this to be coming off or anything. but I super hand tied it all the way down and tied this one from the hanger. Hi Vaughn. I struggled a bit, not gonna lie. It was kind of intense, you know, doing this by yourself, but I got the clamp on the V-band. Looks like it's on pretty good, to be honest. I checked from both sides. It looks like it's on like half and half of the downpipe and half of the hot side of the turbo. And the O2 sensors, they're both on pretty tight, and the hangers as well in the back. So now all I gotta do is put the intake back on and test drive. Well, not test drive, turn on the car, see if it has any leaks, see how it sounds. And yeah, that'll be pretty much it. And then I'll end up flashing to stage 2 plus to see how it does. Kind of excited for that. Also, don't forget to tuck in your sensors right there. And then the other one, where's that? I forgot where the other one goes. Oh, this one's supposed to be in the back, and then this one is supposed to be right here, so I have to take that one off. So everything's back on. The downpipe's on right there. So I'm gonna flash the car to stage 2 plus and delete, you know, the code, and put that I have a Catless downpipe now, and see if I don't have any leaks. I'm gonna drive it and see if I get like any O2 sensors or like a fucking leak code come out while I'm driving it. So yeah, now I'm gonna just connect the battery and then turn the car on, see how it sounds. I just added stage 2 plus E30 to my maps, and now what I'm gonna do is click on it, go to configurations, exhaust burble, you know, put custom because I want it loud, max it out all the way. Minimum speed, we'll do like 2 kilometers, max speed all the way. 1200 RPM minimum, max RPM 8000. GTS starter board on, max cooling mode on, cold start I'll do off since I won't have any cats anymore. Exhaust flap open, off, check engine light off. High pressure fuel pump, we're choosing OEM because that's what we have, which is the TU pump. And then all we gotta do is save changes, and then the changes have been saved. Now all we gotta do is flash the map, and we're gonna double check, just make sure everything's okay, because you don't want to mix up anything, you know, make sure everything you have is correct. All right, everything is good. Now what we're gonna do is press flash, press here to flash now, and yeah. All right, so as you can see, stage 2 E30 octane, which is stage 2 plus, has been flashed successfully. So now all we gotta do is just wait a couple. All right, we're gonna be doing the first cold start. I'm low-key nervous because every time I do something, it never comes out wrong, and I'm gonna be pissed, bro. So all right, first cold start with the Catless downpipe. I forgot I fucking don't have cold start on. I'm an idiot. Alright, so I'm gonna place you guys right here. I'm about to do some little revs, see how it sounds. I don't know why my brother parked so close to me, because I'm gonna be revving it and he's behind me. Alright, so that's how it sounds from the rear. Obviously I don't get that like burbles when I'm still, because I still have my resonators and my muffler. So the only way you'll be able to hear my burbles is when I'm driving the car down the street, which I'm about to do in a bit. So right now I kind of want to do like a little example. I'm gonna put the camera on this angle to see like if I pick up like any leaks or anything, which I doubt, but just to make sure. Don't mind the ticking in the video. It's obviously when you upgrade your high pressure fuel pump, the ticking that the fuel pump makes is ridiculous. It's super loud. Like, and this isn't even like, you know, like a big fuel pump. Wait till you get like a Thor's stage 2 or even a Spool FX 180. And all I'm gonna do is I'm just checking the clamp, see if it's good to go. Yep. Okay, and now it's time for me to drive it on the street. Bro, I want to show you guys like how insane it pulls. Like, look at I'm not kidding, bro. That thing is loud. Bro, it's so fucking fast. And I'm on just E30 plan. Tomorrow I'm gonna flash the E50, and that's where the real gains come in. It's crazy. Check it out. Watch, I'm gonna downshift. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm gonna do a 30 gear. Watch. That shit's fucking loud, bro. And I don't even I have my stock resonators and my muffler. It pulls. It's like insane, man. I'm gonna probably keep like the video going till tomorrow in the morning when I flash to E50, so you guys can see the difference. And it's gonna be daytime, so I'll probably have someone else filming for me, so it could be way better. It pulls like, look at I'm not kidding, bro. That thing is loud. Alright, so it's the next day. I'm currently at the gas station. As you can see, I'm about to flash the E50 and show you guys like the real gains that I'm gonna be getting off the car. It's a success. Now I already have flash stage 2 plus E50 on my TU pump. Now I'm gonna be adding some E85 and then topping it off with 91. So I'm pumping E85, 289 right here, still. You're used to seeing those high gas prices now, you know? But yeah, I'm gonna be pumping around 7.8 gallons to get on that E50 blend. Currently a little bit under a quart, and that's what it's asking me to put, like 7-something gallons, and then the rest 91, which is I think like 1 or 2 gallons. I'm not sure what I see. Yeah. So as you can see, I pumped 7.53 gallons, and then the rest right now is gonna be 91.
A few moments later.
Chug.
For the vlog. Go.
Pelame la mica. Oh yeah, chug. Juicy.
Yeah. Damn.
Oh, you got a little bit left in there. You got a little bit left in there.
Real drinkers don't drink the bottom of the beer.
Ooh.
I'm not a real drinker.
No, are you gonna buy? Yeah.